Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I want to give you a quick look at these BFR bands. Now I just got these, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about the bands themselves and how they work and show you how they look once they're on and in use. So I got these in a black and pink color, which I think is super duper cute. And the bands themselves are nice and wide and super stretchy. These are specifically going to be great for like glute and leg style restriction, but possibly arm as well. You would just have to be able to get it small enough. I love that these are super compact. They're gonna be easy to take with you on the go if you go to a gym or if you're traveling and wanna take them with you. And they do come with a really nice mesh storage bag. So super convenient, and have a simple little clasp here that you slide the band through, and this nice large Velcro section here. So you can customize the fit pretty easily. So you want it to be comfortably tight. This is made to just simply restrict blood flow, which limits the amount of oxygen and everything that the muscles are getting, which in turn can help increase how quickly the muscle responds to the workout, therefore giving possibly more gains in less amount of time and with less work. They do feel incredibly comfortable on. They are super easy to put on and very adjustable. You literally just work out as normal. So squats, you're gonna be limiting that blood flow and stimulating that muscle growth. So these are an impeccable option if you're looking for a simple and easy solution to leveling up your workouts, and it's going to help restrict that blood flow and challenge your muscles a little bit more, so you don't have to work quite as hard, but you can still get some great results. So if that's something that you were looking for, I would definitely give these a try.